Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan SEL-R line in with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 904088A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.